Hello everyone. In this video, we will do exercise 5.1 related to complex numbers. So in first question, express each of the complex number given in the exercise 1 to 10 in the form a plus iota b. From 1 to 10 questions, we will do 1 to 10 question in which we have to write these values in the form of a plus iota b. We will express in the form of a plus iota b. So in first question, 5 iota into minus 3 by 5 iota is given. We have to solve it. So 5 cancel with 5 because multiplication is here, and it will be minus 3. 5 cancel with 5, then minus 3 will left. Iota into iota, iota square, and we know that iota square value is minus 1. So it is minus 3 into minus 1, it is plus 3. So we can write this 3 plus iota into 0 because it is purely real number, no imaginary number. So we will take imaginary number coefficient 0. So 3 plus iota into 0. Now if iota, second question, iota power 9 plus iota power 19, we have to find out value of this and we have to write in the form of a plus iota b. So a means real part and b means imaginary part. So same here, 3 we can write 3 plus iota 0, a is 3 and b is 0. Now iota power 9 is iota power 8 plus 1. Why we are writing in 8 plus 1? Look here. We know that iota square is minus 1. Iota square is minus 1. Iota cube, we can write iota square into iota. What is iota square? Minus 1. Minus 1 into iota, minus iota. Same iota power 4. It is iota square whole square. What is the value of iota square? Minus 1. Minus 1 square, it is plus 1. So iota power 4 is 1. Same here, iota power 9. If we know that iota 4 value is 1, so firstly we will change this into multiplication of 4. We know that if 9 divided by 4, 4 2s are 8, 1 will remainder. So we can write 9 as 4 into 2 plus 1. So 4 into 2 plus 1, because we know that iota 4 value is 1. So we can write iota 4, this is plus. So we can write here iota power 4 into 2 into iota power 1. Okay, by exponent law, a raised power m plus n is equal to a raised power m into a raised power n. And we can write this iota 4 whole square. And what is iota 4? 1. It's part 2. 1 square is 1. 1 into iota, iota. So what is the value of iota power 9? It is iota. Now iota power 19. Same. Firstly, we will change this in the form of multiplication of 4 plus something. So it is iota power 19. 19 is 4 4s are 16 plus 4 4s are 16 plus 3. So we can write 16 plus 3, and 16 is 4 power 4, 4 into 4. So iota power 4 whole power 4 into iota cube. What is this? This is 1. 1 power 4 into iota cube. We know that iota cube is minus iota. So we can write iota cube is minus iota. It is minus iota. Same, iota power 19 plus iota power 9 plus iota power 19. Iota power 9 is iota and iota power 19 is minus iota. Then we can cancel these. So what will come? 0. So we can write this 0 plus iota into 0. This is a plus iota b form. Okay. Now come to third part. This is iota power minus 39. This is iota power minus 39. So we can write 1 upon iota power 39. Okay, and 39 is 4 multiple plus 3. 4 into 9 plus 3. 4 9s are 36. 36 plus 3, 39. So we can write iota power 4 whole power 9 into iota cube. And what is iota power 4? 1. 1 power 9 and iota cube is minus iota. So 1 power 9 is 1. It will minus iota. If denominator has iota, so firstly rationalize it. So multiply with iota and divide by iota. So 1 into iota, iota, and iota into iota, iota square into minus, so minus iota square. So it is iota, it is minus 1, minus into minus plus. So what is value? Answer is iota, but we have to write in the form of a plus iota b. Here iota imaginary part is given, so we can write 0 plus 1 into iota. Now come to fourth question. 3 into 7 plus iota 7. plus iota into 7 plus iota 7. So by using distributive property, we can multiply these. 3 into 7, 21. 3 into 7, 21 iota. Iota is here. Iota into 7, iota 7. Iota into 7 iota. Iota into iota. Iota square into 7. We know that value of iota square is minus 1. So we can write minus 1. And these are same. These are like terms. So 21 iota plus 7 iota is 28 iota. So 21, it is minus 7, 21 minus 7 and iota 28. So we can write 14 plus iota 28. This is in the form of a plus iota b. Now look at fifth question. 1 minus iota minus 1 plus iota 6. So 1 minus iota as it is, here minus, then sign will change of bracket if we will open bracket. Okay, so minus into minus plus 1, minus into plus minus iota 6. So look here, 1 plus 1, it is 2 and it is minus iota, and it is minus 6 iota, it is minus 7 iota. Okay, this is in the form of a plus b iota. Okay, now come to next sixth question. This is given, we have to write in the form of a plus iota b. In the same way, we will add or subtract like terms. So 1 by 5 is real part and 4 is also real part. Firstly, open this bracket. Okay, 1 by 5 plus iota 2 by 5 minus 4 minus iota 5 by 2. So firstly, we will take together like terms. So here 1 by 5, here 4. These are the real parts. So 1 by 5 minus 4. And this is iota 2 by 5, this is iota 5 by 2. So we will take iota common from these. It is 2 by 5. It will minus 5 by 2. So after solving, we will get minus 19 by 5 plus iota minus 21 by 10. Now question number 7. 1 by 3 plus iota 7 by 3 plus 4 plus iota 1 by 3 minus this. So firstly we will solve this bracket. 1 by 3 we will add real part firstly and then imaginary part. So 1 by 3 plus 4 plus iota 7 by 3 plus iota 1 by 3, we will take iota common. 7 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Take LCM 3. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 by 3. And what is LCM of these two? 3. So 1 plus 12. It is 13 by 3 plus iota 8 by 3, and it is minus 4 by 3 plus iota. Okay, then it minus into minus plus, minus into plus minus. Okay, then we will add real parts and then imaginary parts. Okay, then after that we will get 17 by 3 plus iota 5 by 3. So this is in the form of a plus iota b. Now look at question number 8. This is 1 minus iota whole power 4 is equal to, we can write this 1 minus iota whole square. Okay, I 1 minus iota whole square and then whole square. And we know that this identity in complex number, same as this, z1 minus z2 whole square is z1 square minus 2z1 z2 plus z2 square. So what is z1 here? 1. What is z2 here? Iota. So 1 square, 1 square is 1 minus 2 into z1 into z2. z1 is 1, z2 is iota, plus z2 square means iota square. So 1 minus 2 into iota, 2 iota plus iota square whole square. So iota square, we know that its value is minus 1. So 1 cancel with 1. What will come? Minus 2 iota whole square. And we know that minus 2 square is 4 and iota square is iota square. So it will be minus 4. So we can write in the form of a plus iota b. Real part and imaginary part is not here, so we will take 0 into iota. So this is answer. And 9th and 10th question you will do yourself. Now come to 11th question. We have to find out multiplicative inverse of this. Multiplicative inverse of this. Suppose z is this number and we have to find out multiplicative inverse, so we will find 1 upon z. So 1 upon z value is 4 minus 3 iota. Rationalize it. Okay, it is minus, so we will multiply by plus. So 1 into this is same. Denominator is a minus b into a plus b. Okay, so if, we can write also z1 minus z2 into z1 plus z2. So which identity we will use here? z1 square minus z2 square. 4 square is 16 minus, it will be 9 iota square. Iota square is minus 1. So 16 minus 9 into minus 1. It will be plus 9. So 16 plus 9, it is 25. So this is 4 by 25 plus 3 by 25 iota. Okay, now come to next 12th question you will do yourself, and 13th question is z is equal to minus iota. We want to find out multiplicative inverse of this. So we can write 1 upon z, multiplicative inverse of this is 1 upon z. So it is 1 upon minus iota. If iota is in denominator, so we have to rationalize it. So rationalize it by multiplying by iota and divide by iota. 1 into iota, iota, and minus iota into iota, minus iota square. And we know that iota square is minus 1. So minus into minus plus. So iota upon 1 is iota. This is answer. And we can write in form of complex number. Okay. Now question number 14. In this question, simplify this and write in the form of a plus iota b. So look in the numerator. A plus z1 plus z2, and it is z1 minus z2, or we can use identity here. 3 into 3, 3 square, minus this a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. And look at denominator, it is root 3 plus root 2 iota minus, when we will open the bracket, then sign will change in change of the term. So this will minus and it will be plus. So root 3 cancel with root 3, root 2 iota plus root 2 iota, it is 2 root 2 iota, and it is 9, it is 5 iota square. So iota square is minus 1, so minus into minus plus, it will be 9 plus 5, 14, and denominator is 2 root 2 iota. We will rationalize it, multiply with root 2 iota and divide by root 2 iota, because 2 cancel with this 7. So multiply with root 2 iota and divide by it. It is 7 root 2 iota, and denominator will be root 2 into root 2, 2 iota into iota, iota square. So 7 root 2 iota upon minus 2, because iota square is minus 1, it will be minus 2. So what is in complex number? 0 minus, because real part is 0, so we will write 0 here, minus 7 root 2 upon 2 iota. So this is answer. Okay, you have to do these questions, question number 9, 10 and 11, 10 and 12 yourself. 9th question is this, 10th question is this, and 12th question is this. Okay.